Welcome to the term weight setup for the PowerTeacher gradebook. To set up the term weights for your PowerTeacher gradebook, click on your first class and make sure that the year is set to the 2013-2014 school year. Once you've clicked on your first class, you should see your students populated in the window that is shown. You're going to click on Grade Setup. When you get to Grade Setup, the first thing we want to set up is the Year 1 term. Double click on Year 1. You will see the default is set to total points. We need to change that to term weights. So click on Term Weights. Do not change anything for S1 and S2 below. Those need to stay both weighted at 100 each or 50%. Again, do not expand those two terms. Click Save. And Year 1 will now be set up. In order to set up the individual quarters and the exams, we need to do that within Semester 1 and Semester 2. Click on Semester 1. Again, change it from total points to term weights. And here's where we need to set up the 40-40-20 weights. So Quarter 1, we're going to click on that weight and change that to 40. Q2 to 40. And Exam 1 to 20. After you've changed those three values, click Save. And now we're going to do the same thing for Semester 2. When you click on Semester 2, we're going to again change it to term weights. We're going to change Quarter 3 to 40%, Quarter 4 to 40%, and Exam 2 to 20%. And click Save. You will need to do this for each of your individual classes. The easiest way to do that is if we go back to Y1, we can copy the weights from Year 1, Semester 1, and Semester 2 to all of our classes if they're going to be set up the same way. Right to the right of where it says Calculate Y1 Final Grade, you'll see a gray piece that says Copy. Click on Copy. We're going to copy the entire class. And we want to, since we have all year-long classes, we're going to copy it to the other three sections that we have listed in this gradebook. We're going to click Next, and it's going to copy the final grade setup for the rest of the three classes. If we click Finish, once that is completed, we can double check that. So if we click on another section of the courses, and we double click on Y1, we can see that it is set up for term weights. We can look at S1, which is also set up to 40-40-20, and S2 is also 40-40-20. So by copying it, we don't have to do the work for all the individual classes. Again, most importantly, make sure when you are in Y1 that you do not expand S1 and S2. Leave those both weighted the same, and we're going to enter the 40-40-20 within S1 and within S2 in these two places.